Hello, welcome at all. Cysylltiedig. Will's here again from Dempsey Youth Service. How are you all? Let me know who's here. Oh, we've got someone already. Hello, Morgan. How's it going? So I'm going to start these shows really quickly. The way that I start all these sessions with house rules. So we operate these platforms at this session in the same way we do any session that we ordinarily run throughout the county, whether it be in an open access session or school group or one-to-one or whatever. It's all about respect, isn't it? It's about respecting each other, respecting the platform. Matthew, hi Matthew, how's it going, mate? Yeah, not sharing particularly. Oh yeah, so no bad language and no stupidness, but I don't need to say that because you guys know all that. But particularly using social media and using YouTube, it's about being safe as well. So don't share too much personal information. Don't, if you can, please don't. If you want to talk about anybody else, please don't give me their names and their locations and stuff as well, if they wouldn't want that to be shared, or any personal information in general. If there's anything that you'd like to discuss that includes that types of stuff, like of a private nature, that you can get in contact with us directly in a private message capacity through our Facebook and Twitter and WhatsApp and all those wonderful things. I'll come to that at the end of the show. Matthew, Joe, how's it going? Yeah, everybody's coming in. Gemma, hey, how's it going? Not in Gymraeg, so mae sesiwn yma I gyd hefyd yn ddwyieithog. So mae'n groeso iddo chi gyrru negeseuon i ni yn Gymraeg neu'n Saesneg, a na I gyfieithu nhw a gyrru nhw'n dod allan. So yeah, these sessions are fully bilingual. Please do send your messages in either Welsh or English, and I will translate and send them back out so everybody can take part. That's the plan, really. Who have we got? Talking about staying connected. Like I just mentioned, we are all the entire Denbighshire Youth. There we go. Hold on. Denbighshire Youth Service team are available to you during this period. Hi, Mikey. An amazing team of youth workers, all waiting for you to get in contact with them. Their information has been shared now on our Facebook page. So if you're missing your particular youth worker from your particular area, because I ordinarily cover the south of the county, so Dee Valley area. So if you're missing your particular worker, you can find their beautiful little face on our Facebook page with their contact information underneath. Please do send them an email or a text message or a phone call, or they're there waiting for you. I know some of you have been messaging directly the youth service numbers, and I've been directing you those ways. So please do continue to do that, because we are here for you. We've got another 3 weeks, I believe, of lockdown. So now more than ever, when things are getting on top and you just need to, if you want to vent, you want to just talk about your issues, whatever it may be, then you know that your youth workers are here for you. Right, fantastic. Right, who have we got today? Oh, what are we doing today? We'll go into the show. What we've got. Oh, Emily. Hey, Emily, how's it going? Oh, Emily, while she's on, Emily's going to be our resident film expert. So, Emily, you need to find my little face on Facebook, find my telephone number, and send me a message, and we can start that conversation, yeah? We need to get you on. We need to get you to do your film review. So either Thursday or Friday, we're going to have Emily come on and do a film review. Hopefully, it won't be anything terrible, Marvel related like the last one. Apologies for that, guys. I'm so sorry that happened, but well, not my fault. Right. What are we doing today? Yeah, Bill, that's fine. Oh, cool. Thanks, Emily. That'll be great. That'll be really, really good. And then, so we'll get your film review. So what are we doing today? You may, ordinarily, we do Tea Tuesdays, don't we? So panad o sgwrs ar the mouth. Not today. Today we're doing Tea Mondays. Tea Mondays. I can't do it. Tea Mondays. So I've got my tea here, ready, with my branded mug. And I hope you've got your cups of tea ready. And the reason why we started these little sessions were down in my youth clubs in particular, in Corwen and Llangollen. Bear with me a second. Down in my youth clubs in particular, where we have like panad and sgwrs time. So it's a bit of a time, and I'm missing it. I'm really, really missing open access and youth clubs and that kind of engagement. So, and what we do in those sessions, and I really, really like these, is that we have our like panad and sgwrs time. So we go off into little bean bags. Mia, hey! Oh, Mia's here, and she is Elio's little sister. Hey, how's it going, Mia? Where's Elio? We get Elio on the line. Where is she? Bring her in. So we have these tea and chat sessions. We sit around, we have a cup of tea, and we just have a general catch up about life and things that are going on. And they work exceptionally well in open access. And I thought that they worked really, really well here last Tuesday as well. Come on, Elio, where are you? Emily May, what's she saying? Elio is doing some uni homework, but she's asked if you could come on, if I could come on for her. Well, I tell you what, she's missing a treat now. Before I get started about our tea and chat nonsense, Mia, could you relay the message on to Ellie, your sister, that we are very, very aware that there was a big birthday this weekend, and I stupidly forgot to mention it on Friday. Got carried away smashing eggs on my head. So what we have is this is sending straight out to Elio. If you're all in the comments, it was Ellie's birthday on the weekend, lockdown birthday she had. She turned 19, and I said I'd mention it on Friday, but I forgot. But I've remembered now Monday, so better late than never is what I say. Happy birthday to Ellie. Happy birthday to Ellie. Happy birthday to Elio. Happy birthday to you. Is 19. That was for you, Ellie. Apologies, Ellie was the creator of this show. The name of the show, not the show. I'm the creator of the show. But she was the creator of the name of this show. She's the only person that came up with the idea for the name Connected. It was her birthday on the weekend. And we forgot to mention it on Friday. Apologies, got carried away doing handstands and what have you. So I prepared that little video for you for today. And it said happy 19th birthday and everything. So I hope you had a lovely lovely birthday, lovely celebrations, lockdown celebrations. Good luck with your uni work today. Right, who else have we got? Just found out I have an unconditional. Whoa! Stop. Press. Stop. Right, we're straight into it now. We're straight into it now. Emily, just found out I've had an unconditional offer for the wrong course. Oh no! Which course was? I'm sorry, I shouldn't laugh. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, Emily. You will get it sorted. There is plenty of time. We're only in April now. Right, let me know what that was, because as I understand it, Emily is an aspiring youth worker and you want to go and do the youth and community degree over in Glendoor. Am I right? So let me know what happened there. Elio's doing some uni. Yeah, we've seen that. Emily, is the uni open? Can you give the ring? Yes, the uni is open. The uni is open and it is receiving calls and emails. I'm not sure if it's open to be able to go on campus, but all the admin staff are in, all the tutors are in, so you can even, particularly with the youth and community course, I have been speaking to one of them today. So Emily, send them a direct message and I'm sure you'll get that sorted out. No problem. Have a lovely birthday, Ellie, says Kelly. Have a lovely birthday, Ellie, says Kelly. Happy birthday, Ellie's from Joe. I haven't realised I just applied for a foundation year instead of the normal course. Right, okay. Not a problem. Get in contact with the tutors for the course. Jess and Hayley, they run the course over in Glendoor. Lovely, lovely ladies. They will sort you out. Don't you worry about it. No problem. It was Saturday. Oh, Mia's telling us that it was Saturday was her birthday. And thank you. She loved your singing. Oh, thank you. People come from far and wide to see my singing. Oh, cool. Yeah, we'll tell her happy birthday from us. And also you can tell her that Matthew says have a happy birthday. And Joe says happy birthday. Oh, and Joe's giving you a bit of advice, Emily. Don't worry about it. Says you will get it sorted. Absolutely. You will 100% get it sorted. Kelly says, I'm sure they can. There's lots of time. Fingers crossed. There's loads of time. Don't you worry. It's April. You've got loads of time. The guys over in the youth and community degree course over in Glendoor are brilliant. So they will sort you out. Probably administrative error. Easy for you to say. Error, and they will rectify it. I'm sure of it. Don't you panic. Youth and community with a foundation year, whereas I wanted to apply for the course without it. Yeah, absolutely. You could. you could dip straight into level 4, couldn't you? So you do level 4, level 5, level 6. That's how it works, and you'll be fine. Oh, just drink my tea. Right, Panad a Sgwrs. Excuse me. So, how does Panad a Sgwrs usually work? Well, last week it worked exceptionally well. It works exactly like this. You tell me what you want to talk about, we talk about it. So we've had some great topics so far. We've had the birthday message. I feel like somebody from CBeebies. Oh, which reminds me, there's been another big birthday. Ali on message. I don't think she's with us this evening. Ali had the birthday at the weekend as well. Ali, I didn't prepare a video for you. Apologies for that. But when I see you, we will. Ali is a member of our team. And I won't give away her age, but she had a big birthday as well. So happy birthday to Ali too. Please keep sending in your birthday requests. Yeah, Emily. This is all about you guys. So whatever you want to talk about, that's what we talk about. Ellie, there's loads of support and advice for you here, and I 100% guarantee if you speak to Jess Achilleos and Hayley. Oh, what's Hayley's surname? Oh, Hayley. Jess and Hayley, they will sort you out. Oh, sorry, Hayley, if you're watching, I can't remember your second name. Hayley. It's gone. I'm getting old. Don't you worry about it. And you, Emily, having met you numerous occasions. Hayley Douglas. I thought that before you did. Yes, Hayley Douglas. Hayley's brilliant. I haven't met you and having worked with you and all the voluntary work you've been doing, you're brilliant. You will 100% be awesome at this. I know you will. You'll be fantastic. So massive support coming from Denbighshire Youth Service your way. Okay, so, Panad a Sgwrs. While you guys think about topics you want to discuss, because this is all about you, this is Panad a Sgwrs, this is tea in a chat, I'll just talk. Emily says thank you to everybody. Hey, Christ, Emily, absolutely, you'll be brilliant, and we know you will. We'll support you 100% the most we can. And when all this is over, we must meet up for a real Panad, not a virtual one. And we can, excuse me, I'll just adjust my seating position. And any questions you have, I will be able to help you, no problem. Lovely stuff. Right, where are we? Check this out. So while you think about the topics you'd like to discuss on today's Panad a Sgwrs. Do you remember Friday? Friday was brilliant. Friday we had, of course, yes, absolutely, Emily. Friday we had our challenges session. So I set some four challenges. There was do the handstand and do the t-shirt thingy, which I completed. There was the standing up with a bottle on your head, which I didn't complete, but we will talk about that. Bottle flip, completed. What was the other one? The egg. That's why we're here. Right, so the egg. And I asked you guys to have a go and send me your videos. And do you know what? You didn't disappoint. And I've got one for you here right now. Hold on a second. And diolch yn fawr I chi am gyrru fewn a fi. Thank you very, very much for sending this in. So, one of you amazing young people are watching have sent me in your attempt at doing do you remember the egg challenge where you put the egg in your arm and you try and break it? I tried on Friday, I was unsuccessful. So I had to break the egg on my head. Those are the rules. One of you guys have sent me in your video. Oh, pause. Hold on. Yes, one of you guys have sent me in your attempt. And I'm now going to play it for you. What am I? Hold the phone. Let's get back here. Let's go with that here now. Oh, there's no volume. Oh, that's why. And
if I can't do it, my mum is going to
smash
it on my head.
Right.
To keep you company, I'm going to attempt the challenge that you did on your live stream. And if I can't do it, my mum is going to smash it on my head.
So Will's the egg.
So this is the egg Will's.
Good Welsh egg.
Good Welsh egg.
What's it get? Yeah.
Egg.
Oh God, you can't hear it.
Leg.
Proper hard, so you can't break it.
It's not hard boiled. It's fresh.
Fresh, of course, yeah.
How fresh? Right, I hope it's clean.
Here you go.
Health and safety.
Oh, you are joking.
The reggae.
I didn't swear then. Right, that's it. Try this on. That it. Right. Oh, come on!
Can't do it. Okay, Devan. What the hell?
Hope you enjoyed this, Will.
Well, everyone, Derbyshire Youth Club, this is for you.
Yes.
Wells, I hope you enjoyed that one.
Morgs, I did enjoy it. It was brilliant. Diolch yn fawr iawn. That's fantastic. Thank you for doing that. Thank you for sending it in. It's all about having a bit of fun as well. Diolch yn gyrfa fewn, Morgan. That was brilliant. Thank you very much. And thanks for your mum and your little brother for helping out as well. Although I'm sure they had immense pleasure smashing an egg on your head. Brilliant. Very good. Right, so let's see. Where are we? Oh, hold on. I say where are we? And then the screen goes off. Bear with me a second. I'll die on Morgs. It's on the screen. My screen keeps going off and I keep saying my password as I'm typing it. I've got to be careful, haven't I? Right, let's see. Right, okay, so let's have a look here. Where are we? You have Oh, okay, right. Kelly, you started off started for 10. What's everyone else's plans for September? What a brilliant way to start the show. Please let us know, what are your plans for September? That would be great. And Joe is putting out there, how is everyone feeling about the extra 3 weeks lockdown? Absolutely, let's get these out there. So how are we feeling about what's coming up these next 3 weeks, and also what are your plans for September? What a great couple of suggestions there. Matthew says he feels fine about the next 3 weeks. Matthew, we need you, Matthew. Matthew, can you also do the same as Emily has done and find my little contact details, because we would really like for you to come and do a game review for us. So that would be really cool. Thanks, mate. Morgs, you've got messages, you've got fans. Good attempt, Morgs, says Jess. And smiley, laughy, happy facey. Matthew's laughing, smiling as well. Joe says, good try, Morgs. Gemma says, unlucky Morgan. Mia is just laughing. She's just laughing. She's not having it. I'm really enjoying the freedom and the peace, Joe. Oh, okay. Oh, that's an interesting perspective, Emily. I like that. The freedom and the peace. So how the pace of life has slowed down a little bit and everybody's having a bit of time to kind of decompress and, join in on these kind of chill decompress sessions. Oh, maybe. I like that. I like that, Emily. Yeah. What is it? What is it about that freedom that you're enjoying? Is it the lack of routine or what is it? Let me know. Please put it in. Matthew says he's going to college to do motor mechanics. Brilliant, fantastic. I'll be needing you in the future. I'm always buying dodgy cars. So yeah, absolutely, very good. I'm going to college to study media. Morgan, you will be phenomenal. I know you will. Haven't seen your media exploits on YouTube. Has anybody watched The Sweet Life of the Youth Club? Written, starred in, and directed by our very own Morgan and me. But Morgan, brilliant, fantastic. I highly recommend Sweet Life for the Youth Club. When this finishes, and you're on YouTube anyway, Google. Type in Sweet Life for the Youth Club and you'll find it. Brilliant stuff. Let's have a look here. Can I put the link in the description on how to access this to do this thing? Oh, yeah. Okay, so no problem. Matthew, it's easier than that. Just direct message me through Facebook or on my phone number thing through WhatsApp, or you can email us. All the information's on our Facebook page. And then once you sent me a message, I will get in contact with you. We'll arrange it, no problem. And we'll have a game reviewer on the show. We'll have video and TV reviews. We'll have game reviews. It'll be great. Morgan says, thank you to everyone. And as he should. Gemma is planning to go to sixth form to do history, English, and chemistry. Fantastic. Oh, yeah, we spoke about this, didn't we, a few sessions back? Your father was wanting... He spoke to you about sixth form. Yeah, no, cool. So what's the history, English, and chemistry? Wow, smart stuff there. Very, very good. Oh right, yeah. So everybody, Morgan's laughing back at you. So he really enjoyed himself as well. I lost my trail of thought there. A nice positive way to look at it, Emily. Yes. Well, you've got to find the positives. Joe was saying to you, Emily, it's a nice positive way of looking at it, that you're enjoying this freedom and that you're enjoying the peace. And you know what? We've got to find the positives in these situations, and we keep smiling, keep plowing through. You're all doing exceptionally well. This is a major life change for us all that we're all having to cope with in our own separate and individual ways. And I think everyone's doing exceptionally well. The amount of community spirit that I am seeing and witnessing out there on social media, and that reconnection of societies and communities of society as a concept is brilliant. I think well, obviously, people are ill and I know all that stuff is really, really serious stuff. But you've got to look for the positives in these situations. That's what gets you through. So well done, Emily, for giving us that suggestion. Emily, oh my God, my neighbour had autism and he's just called me out because he's painted me a picture. Oh, that's what a great stuff. So Emily's neighbour's just painted her a picture. What an absolute gem. Yeah, what a top bloke. I painted a rainbow. Well, I say I painted the rainbow. My little minions did here on the front of the wall outside the house the other day. And the neighbour, who lives way, way, way across the way, which is, I don't know, maybe like 400 metres away, never met her before, came out and gave us a wave. So that was nice. See, connecting communities again. She saw us paint the rainbow and, hey, how's it going? Thanks for the rainbow. So that was cool. Kelly says, if anyone needs any further support with plans to September, then just get in touch with the youth workers and we can support you. And then she's put 2 dots and the capital D. I don't know why she's done that. Oh, I know why. Yeah, absolutely, Kelly. That's why we're here. Like I said at the start of the show, you can connect to the amazing team at Denbighshire Youth Service. And I don't include myself in that. No, the guys are brilliant. The team is amazing. Please, please, please do keep your messages coming. If you want to discuss anything of a private nature or anything in general, even if you just want to check in and have a conversation with a cup of tea over the phone and just check in and go, hey, Kel, how's it going? Haven't spoken to you in ages. That's what they're there. They're waiting for you. They're waiting for you. All the information to contact your youth workers in your areas is on our Facebook and Twitter now. It's easy to find. There's like a poster with everybody's little face on it and all their names and their contact information. Failing that, you can just direct message the Denbighshire Youth Service, Facebook, Twitter, email, and all that, and I will direct you to the way. So you just tell me who you're looking for, and I will point you in the way. No problem. Let's see, who else have we got? Who else is talking to me? When I'm out with my dogs, also this is Mia. When I'm out with my dogs, she says, people say hi more than they ever did before. Really, do you know what, Mia? You're spot on there. I was talking to you about painting this rainbow. The amount of people that were off on their daily walks who walked past us, we had conversations 2 meters apart. We had conversations, we were saying hello. And it made me think as well, maybe ordinarily they'd have just walked past. But during this time, people are a lot friendlier, a lot more supportive. It's like communities are reconnecting. So yes, there's really, really stressful, bad things happening out there, and I accept that. I see that. I'm not blind to it. And we're all going through our own personal struggles, but we do have to look for the positives, and that is a massive, massive positive. That it feels the sense, whether it's real or not, whether it's a construct, but it feels like this sense of community is starting to come back. And yeah, Mia, I'm with you on that one. Diane, how fantastic. My dad wants me to do the egg challenge, Wills. Oh, yeah. Let's start a movement. Yeah, Gemma says her dad wants her to do the egg challenge. Right, well, if you do the egg challenge, any young person on here or youth workers, I'm watching you all. Then please film them and send them to me, and I will make you a bigger fool than I am as well. We'll all share it together. And if you're able to do it, good luck. I thought I had the guns for it. Turns out not. You'd think that would be an egg would break in there, wouldn't you? Look at that. You'd think, but no chance. I wasn't holding out much hope for Morgan, to be honest with you. His gun show game is not good. Sorry, Mugs. Na, da iawn chdi, met, ydych chi'n briliant. Well done, Mugs. Right, I agree, Mia. Oh, Joe agrees with you, Mia, as do I. Yeah, absolutely. There's this sense that people are just friendlier and more accepting of each other, and everyone's just being a bit more, hi, which is cool, yeah. Yeah, sorry, Mugs, that was a joke. Right, okay, so, something else I wanted to discuss on our current work. Wow, can you believe it, guys? We're getting close to the end of the show again. Something else I wanted to discuss. There was a mention on here. Morgan, you've been insulted, lads. No. Well, I've no insulting or bullying or bad mouthing here. Only proper ridicule for people who are willing to stand up and put eggs on their heads. Nah, Morgan, fantastic. Right. Yes, it came up last week about this soup. Oh, Cheryl, are you joking? I was on the phone with you an hour ago. Cheryl is super late to the party, right? Don't anybody include her in the conversations moving forward. No problem, Cheryl. You haven't missed much. We've just been having a cup of tea and a chat. That's all. Don't worry about it. Diolch Wales, Chris and Mogs. Right. Somebody, was it Kelly, mentioned about this cake-off thing. No, not cake-off, bake-off. Oh, no, cake-off. Cake-off is good. There we go. We've got a name. Cake-off. Cake-off. Is that okay? That we're going to do anybody who wants to can make a lockdown-themed cake like bake-off, but we call it cake-off now. And send those pictures to me, and then we will show those images on Friday, and we'll vote for the best one. Yeah, everybody cool with that? I've started on mine. Well, started thinking, sketching ideas. I've been watching that Ace of Cakes. I don't know how it'll turn out, but yeah. So yeah, is that still happening? Everybody's still on board with the cake off Friday? Please do send your images and pictures to me through all those channels. You can send them to any youth worker. They will find their way to me, or send them directly to me through my WhatsApp or through our youth service Facebook and what have you. So how are you all feeling? Who's going to have a crack at this cake-off thing? I am. I'm in. Kelly, you've got to be in. It was your idea. I think it was your idea. So you've got to be in. So who else is going to do a cake-off for me? Who have we got? Cheryl says, yes, I will. Oh, oh, Gemma, ti siarad Cymraeg gyda ni ran. Dwi'n difaru cytuno neud. So Gemma says she's regretting saying she's going to do it now. Well, do you know what? You're in. You've got to get those eggs out. But Morgan will tell you it only works best with fresh Welsh eggs. Good Welsh eggs. It's the only way it works. Morgan is thinking about it, doing a cake. Good. Joe, oh no, Joe. All right. Joe is a baking expert. We'll have to make a note of this. She's got an unfair advantage because Joe has got a video coming out soon on our Facebook page of her baking exploits. Joe's going to be our baking queen. So we'll have to keep an eye on her. Cheryl, she's going to do one. Dion, Cheryl, Kelly's going to do one. Matthew will send one as well. Brilliant. Fantastic. Oh, cool. Right. How is, what will you say? Matthew, I will send you Will's email. Right, okay. If you're asking how you do the cake, it's simple. You make the cake at home, you take a photo of it. The theme is, for anybody else who wants to take part, the theme is lockdown. The cake is themed lockdown. And you take a photo of it and send it to me. I will show them all up on here on Friday and we'll vote for the best one, okay? Kelly, I will do about cake. Okay, that's the separate conversation, which is just confusing the issue of the live stream. Okay, I think that's it. Who else wants to say? Anybody got anything to say? How was your weekend? Did we even talk about your weekend? We're half an hour in now, which is usually the end of our show. So has anybody got anything else to say, or have we finished our cups of tea? Mine's gone a little bit cold, to be honest with you, but I'm still drinking it. Or are we going to call it a mo? Oh, no, Matthew doesn't want to do the challenge. Oh, I've got confused now. Right, yeah, no probs challenge. No probs, Matthew. It's not for everybody. Baking's not for everybody. I am terrible at it, but I think I'm going to have a crack anyway. Oh, Morgan did a lot of drawing at the weekend. I know, because you sent me one of them and they were brilliant, and I've got it here ready for Wellbeing Wednesdays. Right, hold on. Matthew wants to... hey, hold on. Right, for you live viewers out there, as we're coming towards the end of our show now, there is no live show tomorrow, right? I have to take a day off. There's no live show. However, please do tune in at 6 o'clock, as you normally would, because I'll have a pre-recorded session for you on here, and it's special. It's very, very good. Really, really cool stuff. Morgs, you're going to need to watch it. Gemma, you're going to want to watch it as well. So please do tune in. So it won't be a live streaming, but at 6 o'clock on the dot, I will post a video, pre-recorded video. It'll probably be about 15 minutes long. So please do tune in on it and leave your comments as you ordinarily would, and we'll pick it up on Wednesday's show. But it's a real treat. It's a real treat. And also, please keep sharing. Please keep sharing these. Our subscribers are going up. Our views are going up. This community is getting built. It's all going very, very, very well. But if there's anybody out there, any of your friends, any young people that you're connected with, and you're thinking they would really benefit from this, if there's anybody out there you think, oh, you know what, John would be good at making a cake, maybe I should let them know. Let's get people involved. You know, as Kelly said earlier, you know, there's youth work, and I said earlier, there's teams of youth workers out there waiting to connect with you all. We're doing all this to keep our spirits up and keep some sense of normality and of the little tiny things that we've had to sacrifice during this period, but all for the greater good. Right, okay. I've made a cake. I'll send it in, says Kelly. What, physically send in the cake? I will send you my address, Kelly, because stocks are running low here. Absolutely, yeah. Send me in your cakes. And that's it. Why, Wills? Why? Who's saying why? Why? I don't know why. Oh, why? Oh, Morgan and Gemma, why? Well, you may be featured in this tomorrow's special edition. Right. So, tomorrow's special edition, please tune in, 6 o'clock. It won't be live, so you won't be able to live comment, but you will be able to comment in the comment section, and we'll pick it up on Wednesday. But I really think you'll enjoy it. And that, guys, that, guys, that's pretty much it for today's show. Thank you all once again for tuning in and taking part. We'll be back. I will be back on Wednesday for Wellbeing Wednesdays, but we, the show, Denbighshire Youth Service, the doors are always open, and we'll be here again at 6 o'clock tomorrow. I hope you all enjoy your evenings, and yeah, we'll see you on Wednesday. Thank you very much. Ta-ra.